Welcome to Japan. Are you Mr. Ethan? Yes, that's me. Hi, you must be Jersey, my tour guide? Yes, that's right. Nice to meet you, Ethan. How was your flight? It was long but worth it. I'm so excited to finally be here in Japan. I'm glad to hear that. Japan has so many wonderful places to see. Let's start your journey with our first stop, Tokyo. Wow, this place looks amazing. What temple is this? This is Sensoi Temple, also known as Asakusa Temple, the oldest temple in Tokyo. It was built in the 17th century. That big red gate over there is called Kaminaramon or Thunder Gate. It looks so grand. I love the lanterns and the traditional design. You can also walk through Nakamisa Street just ahead. It's full of shops selling souvenirs, snacks, and traditional sweets. I might buy some gifts for my friends. Oh, what's the smell? That's the smell of taiyaki, a fish-shaped cake filled with red bean or custard. You should try one. Whoa, look at all these people crossing at the same time. This is Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest intersections in the world. When the lights turn green, hundreds of people cross in every direction. That's so cool. I've seen this online, but it's amazing to be here in person. And just right over there is the Hachiko statue, the loyal dog who waited for his owner every day. That story is so touching. Can we take a photo there? Of course, I'll take it for you. Ready? Perfect. Now we're at Tokyo Skytree, the tallest structure in Japan. It's 634 meters high. That's incredible. The view from up here is breathtaking. You can see the whole city. Yes, especially at night, when Tokyo's lights sparkle like stars. I can't believe how modern and peaceful everything is. That's Japan, a balance of tradition and technology. I love it already. Good morning, Ethan. Ready for Kyoto? We're taking the Shinkansen or bullet train. It travels up to 320 kilometers per hour. Wow, that's faster than I imagined. Welcome to Kyoto, the heart of traditional Japan. Our first stop is the Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its thousands of red torii gates. This is beautiful. It feels peaceful walking through these gates. Good idea. Later, we'll visit Kinkakuji, the Golden Pavilion. Golden Pavilion? That sounds interesting. Wow, it's literally covered in gold. Yes, it's one of the most photographed spots in Japan. The gold leaf shines beautifully under the sunlight. It's breathtaking. Kyoto really feels like a different world, so calm and elegant. That's why many visitors fall in love with this city. Today we're heading to Osaka, known as the kitchen of Japan. So it's all about food? Sounds perfect. Yes, our first stop is Osaka Castle, an historic landmark built in the 16th century. It looks so majestic, surrounded by water. After this, we'll visit Dotonbori, the most popular food and entertainment district. Oh, I've heard of that. The place with colorful lights and the big Glicoman sign, right? And here you must try takoyaki and okonomiyaki. Let's go. I'm ready to eat everything. Wow, the food is amazing. The lights are beautiful and everyone seems so friendly here. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Osaka is all about fun, food, and laughter. I think this is my favorite part of the trip so far. I can't believe my trip is already over. Time really flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Thank you, Jersey, for being such a great guide. You made this trip unforgettable. You're very welcome, Ethan. It was my pleasure to show you Japan's beauty. I hope you come back someday. I definitely will. Japan has captured my heart. Arigato gozaimasu, Jersey. Arigato gozaimasu, Ethan. Have a safe flight. And see you again in Japan.